everyone, it's Shriya. Welcome back to my channel. Wishing you a very happy Diwali. Before we get on with this video, I would like to tell you that this video was filmed last year in 2019, and I would also like to request you all not to burst crackers. Yes, I have done it in the past, but it's never too late to change. Also, given the present situation with the pandemic and lots of other chaos, I think it best not to create another problem. Anyways, let's check out what's in store for you today. If you can't burst them, then you can eat them. Yes, these are edible crackers. Also, don't go around eating firecrackers thinking they're edible. Let's see how they look inside. Here I have one of each. There's the rocket, there's the Laddi bomb, the Sutli bomb, Zameen Chakkar, flower pot and Lakshmi bomb. Okay, now that you know the names of all the crackers that I have, let's start with the rocket. I'm going to remove the stick so that I can unwrap the chocolate. Wow, it's a nice white chocolate. Now let's taste test our rocket. Wow, it tastes like dynamite. Now let me unwrap all of these. Ta-da! I've unwrapped all of the other crackers. And here's the Lakshmi bomb, the Laddi bomb, the Sutli bomb, our flower pot, our Zameen Chakkar. All of these look really good, but I would have to say the Laddi bomb is my favorite just because of all the detail on it. And yeah, all of these are milk chocolate except the rocket, which was white chocolate. I'm excited to try all of these out, so let's see. Obviously they tasted just like chocolate. I hope you guys like this video. Here are some pictures if you want a closer look at these. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you like chocolates, and I know you do, don't forget to comment down below which one was your favorite. Thanks for watching. Bye.